subscribers and viewers of OWUUBII channel. I want to welcome you back to this wonderful channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about MikroTik Firewall. We are going to go through a series of MikroTik Firewall configurations. So please stay tuned to this wonderful channel and then learn practically how to implement MikroTik Firewall. Thank you. So without wasting time, let's quickly log into our MikroTik router and then proceed with the configuration we are about to do today. Configure a firewall rule which only allows IPs coming from the local area network to be able to log into the MikroTik router board. If you are any other IP apart from the local area network, the router will not permit you to enter into it. So in a jiffy, I'm going to proceed with this configuration. So let's log into our router with the Winbox proprietary tool. I need to check. Okay, so let me log in. Okay, so I've logged in. The next thing I need to do is to locate IP. Under IP we can see firewall, and then we can now proceed with our rules. The rule states that apart from the local area network, apart from IPs coming from the local area network, this is what I mean. IPs ranging from this, from 8.50 to 8.254. Apart from these IPs, no other IP can be able to get access into this MikroTik router board. And so the first rule, since we are dealing with getting inside the router board, we need to choose the input. Then let's give it a comment. And mind you, these configurations I'm doing are basic configurations which are pre-configured whenever you buy a new MikroTik router board. And so this particular firewall rule is just to prevent any other IP from accessing the router apart from the local area network. And so we can give it a comment like defconf. Okay. ICMP. This is a network protocol. Okay. I click OK. Now we are not done. Now, because we are dealing with the ICMP, which according to this firewall rule is required to be accepted. And so let's select the ICMP rule protocol, and then we proceed to action and accept, then click apply and OK. So this is our first rule, right? The second rule is also we need to choose input under chain because we are accessing the router. And then the next thing to do is to come to connection state and then select established, related, and then untracked. This tray selection needs to be done. And then you come to accept, action, and then accept. You apply, but we need to also add a comment to this one, which is defconf. This comment can be anything, but this is what I'm choosing. There is nothing special with regards to the comment, as far as you can understand exactly what you're typing. Okay. Untracked. related. So this is my comments. Comments are just to give you a basic info or a brief info about the firewall rule. Okay, there is nothing special about it. When you are done, you click OK, you apply and OK. Now the last thing I need to do is to click on, do another firewall rule to drop connections coming from outside the local area network apart from IPs coming from the local area network. So in same vein, you choose input, and then in the in interface, this is it, you choose your local area network. This is my local area network, and then you proceed it to action and then you drop. But let's give it a comment as well. The comment is devconf I'm just doing it like this so that you can relate with it whenever you buy a new MikroTik router board, which is pre-configured. Okay, so this is my comment, apply and OK. So basically we are done with our firewall rule to protect any rogue IP from accessing this MikroTik router apart from the local area networks. Apart from IPs coming from the local area network. Okay, so basically this is a rule, a basic rule to protect any intrusion, unwanted intrusion from accessing this router board. Watch out for the next video where I'll be going deeper into this MikroTik firewall settings. Thank you for watching this wonderful video. Please, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, share my videos, and your comments are expected as well. Thank you.